unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Prednisone can be used to reduce inflammation and may help with symptoms of a sore throat and cough, especially in cases where they are a result of an inflammatory condition. However, it's important to use it under the guidance of a healthcare provider, as it's a potent steroid with potential side effects. It's not typically the first line of treatment for sore throats and coughs caused by common viral infections.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.